The idea was to go beyond banking, and we wanted to touch customers' heart. And that excited us. We wanted to create magic, create customer delight, something nobody has done before in the industry, something which our customers are passionate about.
When we interacted with customers, we found that they share a keen interest in photography, and that's the reason we created this platform called Camaraderie. Camaraderie gave the customers a platform where they could share their art of photography as well as learn the nuances of photography. We wanted to make this experience very enriching for our customers.
We started the journey with photography workshops across India in association with our partner Olympus. With workshops covering from basics to advanced photography, it gave customers an opportunity to learn and unlock their creativity. More than 25 workshops were conducted across India and more than 500 customers harnessed their photography skills.
Looking at the humongous response we got from our customers, we decided to reach out for more. Hence was born the Camaraderie online photography contest. It was a huge challenge, but we wanted to give our customers a world-class experience. And we didn't have any benchmark to follow, but we had to create one.
Since the Camaraderie event has been started, we've been constantly thinking how to add value to the customers.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
The contest is so exciting that we got such a fabulous response from eminent juries and well-known brands such as Olympus, Satyapal, GoIbibo, Dondi Planet and Club Mahindra. We also have a plethora of exciting prizes for the winners such as Australian and Italian tour packages, Club Mahindra stay, SLR camera and many more. Even our alliance partners are too excited about this.
To make it easy for our customers, we created a comprehensive website where you could get information on how to upgrade your photography skills, participate online and even invite votes for the photograph.
When I heard about Camaraderie first, I started speaking to my customers. I thought, let's see how the response is. And the response was beyond my surprise.
So we got a lot of queries and every week we would update the clients. A lot of these clients, they came and they asked that why don't you have a particular theme? It is a khayal aapka for the clients in the real sense.
Camaraderie photography contest has received an overwhelming response from more than 8,600 participants who have submitted more than 11,000 incredible photographs.
Brilliant.
Nice.
Yeah.
And that's not all. A staggering 1.4 lakh votes were received from across India.
Photography itself is an art, if you see it. For any picture that I see, first I want to see the content. Is the content good?
Different angle makes the same thing look differently.
It is a unique effort, but it's also a great effort on the part of the participants.
So some of the pictures I felt really good. Simple reason because they are taken by the amateurs. They had no training.
Many pictures which were just excellent, which made the judging quite difficult. I think all credit goes to ICICI Bank and all the employees of the bank who have helped work so hard in making this event a great success.
If we have more contests about this kind, more awareness is going to happen.
Today is the day when best of the best are going to get awarded.
The chosen winners who successfully overcame the grueling screening process.
Winners who will get a chance to witness the picturesque lands of Australia and Italy.
And as we meet you today to celebrate your accomplishment and success, let me promise you that this is just the beginning of many more such camaraderie moments, which we will continue to bring to you over the years to come.